What's up guys, Dick here, and today it's a good time to unbox and see what I have is this. So let's get started and do the unboxing of this. So yeah, here I have the knife and it can break the seal. So here I break the first seal and the second and the third, and now open the box and there is one more packing, so I have to break the seal of this also. So here we break the seal, and now I see that there is iPhone 10 and it is a silver color variant. And now once I have now I will break the seal of the box, and here is the strip. So as now the seal has been broken, I remove the box cover and now I pull the box cover, and here they have written designed by Apple in California, and there is a basic paper stuffs like hello guide and other warranty documentations and Apple stickers behind, and it says Face ID and the 3D touch functions, how they work, and the SIM ejection tool. And after this, here we pick up the phone, and now it seems to be that it has the full screen and has wireless charging with both 12 megapixel rear camera and the silent trigger volume rockers, and this is both 12 megapixel camera and wireless charging, and it has the glass body. And now here we can see that it has the full screen view, and there is the notch for camera and Face ID, and here we have the power button, and there is a SIM ejection tool here. And now let's activate, or now let's just see the box stuff. So Apple has making customers fool, because for how many years they are selling the same charger and box contents are same. They are not giving the fast charger because it's supposed fast charger, so Apple should give, because it's nearly $1,200 of phone. And here we get the earphones and data cable for charging and syncing, and 3.5 jack connector with lightning connector. And let's boot up the phone. So here it says and glows the Apple logo. As the Apple logo glows, here it says hello, and now it says swipe from the bottom. So I just swipe from here, and now we get to see it's telling SIM card not installed. Yeah, the iPhone doesn't activate without SIM card. So let's put the SIM card and I will see you then. So yeah, I have put the SIM card, and now it says it's activating your iPhone. So now it takes some time, and now it's saying put Face ID. So I will not be putting Face ID, I will be putting passcode. And now I will skip all the process and move to the main screen as early as possible. So here we go and skip, and apps analytics, skip, and now click on display. Yeah, it should be activated, so let's activate. And now it says some gestures, how to go to the home screen and how to go to the recent apps. So it's that, how to switch between recent apps now. And because it does not have the home button, so I will guide you about the uh, how to use the feature of without home button. So here it says welcome to iPhone and swipe, and yeah, we have come to the iPhone home screen. Now I will tell you about the gesture features, so let's get started. So as you know that the iPhone 10 has no home button, so you can't do anything without that. So the thing is, there has been a new feature that is called the gesture. So you can swipe up for the gestures, and as you swipe up, there will be the home screen. And when you want, if you have opened the app and you want to go back to the home main screen, so you have to swipe up with from down to up like this. And if you want to go to the recent app, if I open this and swipe up, okay, and swipe up, so I have to go to the recent app to switch the app or close the recent app. So I have to go from down to up and hold it, and once you hold it, a vibration comes, and from there you can't swipe like this. So you have to hold for 2 seconds, and then the negative signs comes here, and then you have to push it up like this. So this was the gesture feature which the iPhone 10 has. So if you are planning to buy the iPhone 10, you have to see these features. And this was only the video. If you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more video related like this.